Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 67, Marbles. So here's another interesting puzzle for you. It'll test your lateral thinking skills. A jar has coloured marbles in it. All but two of the marbles are green. All but two of the marbles are red. All but two of the marbles are yellow. What is the total number of marbles in the jar? A clue will be given on the next slide. Please spend a little time trying to solve this. I'll definitely go to the next slide in about 2 minutes and give you a clue if you're having a bit of trouble. So try and solve it yourself. It'll be most satisfying. Okay, let's have a look at the clue on the next slide. Here we go. The clue. Do simple trial and error. That's really an interesting one. A lot of puzzles can be solved just by a bit of trial and error. So get a piece of paper, excuse me, just get a piece of paper and do some little bit of trial and error by drawing some marbles in the jar. In about 1 minute, sorry for that, in about 1 minute, I'll give you the final clue on the next slide. Okay, here's the final clue, just in case you need it. The final clue, there are only 3 colours. So that's all we have, just 3 colours. So the answer will be on the next slide. Just spend another minute trying to figure it out if you still haven't got it. And I'll go to the answer very shortly. Okay, now here's the answer. Let's see how you went. So the answer is 3. A jar has coloured marbles in it. All but 2 are green. That means all the marbles are green except 2 of them. See? That's green, but those 2 are not. All but 2 are red. That means they're all red except 2 of them. Those 2 there. And finally, all but 2 of the marbles are yellow. That means they're all yellow, except 2 of them. And what's the total number of marbles in the jar? Those marbles there, the way they're situated with the colours, satisfy all those sentences, so the answer is 3. I hope you enjoyed that one. It's really interesting. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and I'll go there right now.